Introduction. The paradox, look around. We live in an age of technological miracles. We carry supercomputers in our pockets. We have AI that can write poetry and code. We've built global networks that connect billions in an instant. Yet, how many times this week have you felt genuinely frustrated by technology? Been baffled by a confusing app menu? Felt a wave of dread from an incomprehensible error message? Or spent an hour on a customer service chatbot that just led you in circles? This is the great paradox of our time. We're masters of computation, but we're often amateurs at connection. The most critical system we design isn't in the cloud. It's what I call the human-tech interface. And today, we're going to learn how to navigate it. Pillar 1, empathy, beyond the manual. Let's start with the first pillar, empathy. For decades, the mindset has been, here's the tool, figure it out. We ship products with 1,000-page manuals and wonder why adoption is low. But the goal isn't user tolerance. It's user empowerment. I once worked with a team that built an incredibly powerful data analytics platform. Could do everything, but our clients hated it. Why? Because every simple report felt like solving a Rubik's Cube. We were so focused on features, we forgot about feelings. True empathy in tech means obsessing over the user's journey. It means watching someone use your product and seeing where they hesitate, where they click the wrong thing, where that flicker of frustration crosses their face. That is your most valuable data point. If your user needs a manual, the design has already failed. The interface itself should be the guide. Pillar 2, ethics, the unseen foundation. Now, let's talk about the second and heaviest pillar, ethics. It's easy to treat ethics as a compliance issue, a box to check for the legal team. But that's a dangerous illusion. Ethics isn't a feature you add later, it's the foundation you build upon. Consider this. An algorithm is designed to maximize user engagement. It's brilliant. It works. But it learns that showing divisive, angry content keeps people glued to their screens. Technically, it's a success, but ethically, it's a disaster, eroding our public discourse. Or think about data. We can collect endless information about our users, but just because we can, does it mean we should? Ethics forces us to ask, what is the consequence of this data collection? Who are we potentially harming? Building with ethics means making conscious, difficult choices. It means prioritizing long-term human good over short-term metrics. Your technology should be a responsible citizen in the world. Pillar 3, adoption. It's a culture, not a tool. This brings us to the third pillar, adoption. And this is where so many brilliant projects fail. A company can spend millions on the perfect new software platform, but if they roll it out with just an email and a PDF manual, it will fail. Why? Because adoption isn't an IT project, it's a cultural one. You cannot mandate enthusiasm. You cannot force proficiency. I've seen organizations implement tools that could save employees 10 hours a week, only to be met with resistance, because the message was wrong. The message was, here is a new system to learn. Instead, it should be, we are giving you back 10 hours of your life. Successful adoption is about co-creation. It's about involving people early, listening to their fears, and championing their successes. It's about framing technology not as a threat, but as an empowerment. Conclusion. The call to build better. So, what's the takeaway? The next time you're designing a product, planning a rollout, or even just choosing a new tool for your team, look beyond the specs. Look at the human-tech interface. Ask yourself, are we building with empathy? Are we building on an ethical foundation? Are we fostering a culture of adoption? The ultimate measure of our technological progress isn't teraflops or petaflops. It's human well-being. It's empowerment. It's connection. Let's stop building for hypothetical users in a vacuum. Let's start building with real humans in mind. Call to action. This is a conversation we all need to have. Where have you seen the human-tech interface fail? And where have you seen it succeed brilliantly? Share your stories in the comments below. Let's learn from each other. If this resonated with you, subscribe for more conversations on building a more human-centered future with technology. Thanks for watching. This video is brought to you by Mr. Emiskid, the AI revolutionist.